Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and here's a couple of quick household tips, or fixes maybe. I have solved my problem with two very common desk tools. You have, now next time I buy these, I'll buy the metal ones, I'll pay the extra money, but you can use these very gently with a hammer. And then there are these, the often overlooked file holder. They come up, they do this, and you can clamp them. I'm going to use this phone cord for an example. These are really small for my arthritic hands, but I'm going to take this and I'm going to clamp it around the cord so that it is in place like that, and then I'm going to flip one side up. Okay, see the way I have this? I have the kind of flat. Then what I did was I just took one of these tacks, and as you can see I've left a spacer, and I've gently put it in, and I have just hung this over. Now I'm going to put it behind the end of the tack. And very carefully, because these are only plastic, I'm going to tap that in place, and what this does, this allows me to charge up my camera or charge up my phone without the cords falling away down to the floor, without them, and it keeps them, and it also keeps them off the floor. Okay, when I put the video of this lamp up, someone gave me a quick fix because I couldn't put the cord through the base hole here. Oh, this would have been easy to take off. Look at that. Okay, I probably could have done this. Okay, well, I'm not taking the lamp back apart just to put the cord through here and then through this hole. So, and what I have here is 3 wine bottle corks. Now, we want these to be all roughly within 1 millimeter or 2 of being the same size. First things first, piece of cork there and glue it right to the wood. Alrighty. Now we'll stand it up on its corks. I forget who mentioned that, but that was a brilliant idea. And there it is, sitting level so that the wire comes out from the bottom. Perfect. Whoever gave me that idea, brilliant. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead with just a couple of tips to make your life just a little bit easier.